A lot of financial gurus, okay, money experts online, they tell you, look, I'm making money while I sleep. This is what I do to make money while I sleep. Look, do not be deceived, okay? I want to share with you how I make my own money while I sleep, okay? It's something that if you apply in your life right now, my friends, I'm telling you, it's going to make you more money while you sleep than what the financial gurus and experts tell you. And it's not cap, I'm not trying to lie to you, okay? The secret to making money is in people. People are the ones carrying the money that you need. People are the ones carrying the money that you need to buy your new car. People are the ones carrying the money that you need to buy your new house. You must develop the ability to understand that the money that you need, the financial freedom that you want, the millions and billions that you want to acquire is in the hands of people. And these people are called strangers. I know when we were very young, our parents told us, when you're growing up, don't talk to strangers. Strangers, if you talk to strangers, they can turn you to yam, they can turn you to this. Oh, if you touch to strangers, they will make you to disappear. No, now that you've grown up, you've known better. Maybe they had their reasons for telling you those things when you were younger, okay, for your security and other personal stuff. But I want you now to understand that if you want money, if you want to make money while you sleep, you must develop the ability to build very powerful connections with people. When people grow up and then they say, oh, this guy has connection, now he's working a very good job. Look, the result of that connection is because of what they did when they were younger. Maybe they were friends from back in the day. So how to make money while you sleep, okay, is for you to build connections. Look, I can tell a personal story of my friends. One of my friends, okay, he sent me a very cold message and told me, look, are you still doing this business? I told him yes. He said, I want you to do this thing for me. Look, there's something that I had forgot entirely because of the phase of my life I am in right now, okay? I forgot about entirely. But when he reminded me and said, are you still doing this business, okay? I told him, wow, I was so shocked. It's something that I've been doing for a very long time. But at this moment, he called me and said, are you still doing the business? And I said, yes. And I did it for him and he paid me very well. I'm telling you, for you to be able to make money while you sleep, you must be able to develop the ability to build connections, important connections, especially when you are young. You must be able to speak with people, build genuine friendships, okay? It's not about collecting numbers from everybody that you meet. That is not contact. It's about meeting people that you know they have potential, people that are where you want to be, people that can aspire and say, people that can speak for you, okay? These are the real connections. They're the ones that carry your money. Develop the ability to develop yourself so that people can see you as someone that's valuable. Look, the marketplace rewards you for your value, not for your time, not for your effort, but for your value. The marketplace is the one that decides how valuable you are. Okay, and this is the only way for you to make money while you sleep. There's no way for you to sleep in bed and be making money. Of course, you can make money online and stuff like that, but it's because of what you've done. Develop the ability to build systems online, so that okay, it's very easy in our digital economy now. Okay, everybody is building systems and everything. But if you are not able to do this exact same thing, make sure that you are able and humble enough to learn the basics. So because of this, I want you to know that you must develop the ability to build connections with your friends, okay? Not every time they are talking about gambling, talking about EPL, talking about this and talking about that. Speak some important things. Talk about business. Get to know about their passions, their dreams, their goals. This way you can be able to size them up and know their potential, if they are worth investing in for the future or not investing in for the future. And so this is my ultimate secret, my friends. I'm telling you that this is going to help you. And stop daydreaming about making money while you sleep, okay? But develop the ability to build systems, okay, such that this system to pay off when you get older later. And like I always say, my friends, I'm rooting for you and I hope that you'll be successful. And I'll see you again.